WPS – Tips for Unifying PPT Formats. When making a PPT, for the sake of beauty, you generally want to unify the format. Today I will provide some tips on how to quickly unify the format. Take the following document as an example, where you want to make all of the text the same color. First highlight the blue text, found in the first text box. Then click on the Format Printer button on the left side of the Home menu bar to see the cursor turn into a brush icon. Then click and drag the cursor over the orange text to change it to blue. If you want to change the format of multiple objects, it is very troublesome to click on the format brush multiple times. To solve this, first select the blue font, then double-click the Format Painter button. Now you can use the formatting brush continuously without needing to re-click the button. The same is true for images. To exit the Format Painter, just press Escape. The next step is to unify the font. Currently, all the text is in black font, but I need to change it to Microsoft Yahoo. First, locate the Replace button on the right side of the Home menu bar, click on the arrow and select Replace Font. Select black font in the Replace drop-down menu and Microsoft Yahoo in the Replace With menu. In this way, you can quickly unify the font in your presentation.